Hello, welcome back to my channel. Guys, we have a very interesting question today, which is x square minus y square equal to 49. We have to find the value of x and y. So let's start it. Okay, if you see, we have x square minus y square, which is a maths formula a square minus b square equals a plus b and a minus b. So instead of this one, you can write x plus y into x minus y is equal to 49. So you see, we have got this one in the form of product. Okay, so also write 49 in the form of product. So possible factors or possible multiples of 49 are uh, 1 into 49, 49 into 1, and 7 into 7. Okay, these three pairs gives us 49. Okay, so these are the uh, possible factors or pairs for 49. 1 into 49, 49 into 1, 7 into 7. Okay, let's see which pair we can take, right? If you see here, this is x plus y and this is x minus y. It means that x plus y is greater than or equal to x minus y. Okay, this is a possibility because they are adding and they are subtracting from each other, so they may be equal, or x plus y may be greater than 1. So put this one 1 and 49. Okay, here 49 is greater than this one. So here you can see the condition is that this side is greater than this one, but here this is greater than 1, so this is not our solution, right? Now put 49 and 1. 49 is greater than 1, so this condition is getting satisfied, so this is our possible solution. Also 7 into 7, 7 and 7 are equal, so this is satisfying this equation that they may be equal. Okay, so this can be also our possible solution. So we have got two solutions. I will solve it over here. So we have x plus y, x minus y is equal to 49 into 1. This is a one possible solution, and also x plus y into x minus y is equal to 7 into 7. So we will solve it one by one. So here x plus y is equal to 49, x minus y equal to 1. Okay, okay, add them. X plus x will get 2x, x plus y minus y will cancel. 49 plus 1 you will get 50. Now divide both sides by x by 2, you will get 25. Now put this value over here. X plus y is equal to 49. Put the value of x as 25. Now shift put 25 to the right side. It will subtract from 49, which will give you 24. So this is our value for x and y. X, y, we have got 25 and 24. Okay, now come to this pair. Here we can write x plus y equal to 7, x minus y equal to 7. Add them, you will get 2x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 7. The value of x is 7. Now put it over here, x plus y in this equation. Put the value of x, which is 7. 7. Now you see 7 minus 7, the value of y is 0. So this is our second pair for x and y, x, y, which is 7 and 0. Okay, so this is our possible solution. I hope you like this video. If so, then please hit like button and also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.